In this video series, we are going to explore something really interesting, that is the number theory. It is one of the oldest part of mathematics and it's all about the number we use every day like 1, 2, 3 and so on. So first of all, what is a number theory? Number theory is a part of maths that study whole numbers, or we can call it as an integer, and how they works together. But why should we care about these numbers? Because everywhere we use them to count, to measure, to tell time, and even inside your computers and phones. And here something is cool, that is number theory is used in a cryptography. That means it helps keep your messages and personal information safe when you use the internet or make online payments. In this series, we are going to learn about these topics, that is the divisibility of the integer, modular arithmetics, greatest common divisor, that is also called as a GCD, then Euclidean algorithm, solving linear congruence, system of linear congruence with the help of Chinese remainder theorem, then number theory in a cryptography. Don't worry if these sounds new, we will go through them step by step in a simpler way. In the next video, we will deal with the divisibility of the integer and where we learn what it means and when one number can divide other.